Hi everyone. In this video, we will gonna see about the bar chart that is available in the Power BI, and this chart has a similar functionality as the column chart that we had seen in the previous video, but there is only one difference, the minor difference, and it has a orientation difference. The bar chart contains the horizontal bars, while the column chart contains the vertical bars, and both the chart is helpful to compare the categorical data with the numerical data. First of all, you have to click on the stack bar chart that is available in the visualization pane, and on the x-axis we have to put the numerical data, and on the y-axis we have to put the categorical data. And this is the second difference. We have to see the relationship between the product category and the shipping cost, average shipping cost. As we can see using the bar chart, the furniture has a higher average shipping cost compared to the technology and office supplies. So that's it for today's video. If you really like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.